Hello, dear students. I'm Mrs. Shalini Hirvani and I'll be teaching you English. And beta, I hope you all are fine and staying safe at home. So, beta, now in this video, we will discuss our grammar topic, which is article. Now, let us start the topic articles. So, beta, what are we learning today? First one is what are articles? Another one is types of articles. And third one is use of articles. Okay, beta? Now, what is an article? Beta, articles are a part of grammar. Okay? And there are three articles. What are they? A, an, and the. And beta, articles are among the most common words in English language. And do you know where are they used? Yes, they are used before a noun. Now, let me explain you in details. Beta, articles are of two types. How many types? Two types. First one is indefinite article, which is a and n. Another one is definite article, which is the. Beta, a and n are called indefinite articles because they do not refer to any particular person, place, or thing. Here are some examples of indefinite articles like a chair, an elephant, a fan, a temple, etc. Now let us talk about definite article the. Beta, definite article the refers to some particular person, place or thing like the India Gate, the president, etc. And now beta, let us know how to use indefinite articles a and n. Beta, we use n before words that start with a vowel or vowel sound. And I think you all know what are vowels like a, e, I, o, u. For example, an apple, an engine, an English lesson, an honor, an R, etc. And we use a before words that start with a consonant or consonant sound. For example, a bird, a book, a government. Is it clear? Okay. Better, as you know, there are 26 alphabets in English and each alphabet has its own phonic sound like A sounds A, B sounds B, and so on. And beta, out of these 26 alphabets, A, E, I, O, U, these 5 alphabets are vowels. And beta, we use and before words that start with a vowel or vowel sound. Okay? Now let us know how to use definite article the. Beta, see the example. The man standing in the garden is my uncle. Beta, as we know, the is used before a particular person and a particular place. So beta, here the man is a particular person and where he is standing? In the garden. Okay. And here are some of the examples of definite article the. Beta, see the earth, the universe. Here the is used before the earth, before the universe because these are the things which only one exists. Means there is only one earth and one universe. And beta, the is also used before the names of rivers like Yamuna, like names of mountains like Himalaya, etc. Okay, and beta, the is also used before the names of the newspaper like the Hindustan Times or well-known books like the Ramayana, etc. Okay, beta. I hope this topic is clear to you. Thank you and have a nice day.